Hello all. So prelims 2021 is scheduled on October 20th. More 45 days are there. This 45 days, how you are going to work is very, very important. So to get your dream job, this is your first stage of preparation, first stage of examination. In prelims, mains and interview. So if you want to write the mains, you know that you have to clear the prelims examination. So that the first stage of examination is on October 10th, more 45 days. 45 days strategies to crack prelims 2021 I am going to explain. So please concentrate. Compulsory. Daily 12 hours you need to study. This 45 days. No excuse. 12 hours in any cost. This last 45 days. Don't read anything new. Don't read anything new. Already what you read, do the revision. The same thing. Don't try to read anything new. If you are trying to read anything new, you will be confused. So stop the preparation by now. And do revision of all the. Stop the revision of now means what I want to tell. Stop the reading by now means what I want to tell means stop the reading of the new content from now. And you have to read the same content what you read up to now. Don't read anything new. That is my intention. So don't read anything new. Keep it in your mind. So how? Today is 28th, 29th, 30th, 31. This 4 days, do economy revision, quick revision. 28, 29, 30, 31, 4 days. Till September 1st. One day you have to do economic survey. Next day you have to do budget plus government schemes. Next day you have to do Niti Aayog report plus India yearbook and the core fundamentals of economy another day. In this way 4 days you have to do the quick revision of economy. By August 31st night you should be confident that yes, mera economy ho gaya hai. And the next in the geography 4 days you have to do. 4 days which is September 1, 2, 3, 4. Physical geography 1 day, world geography 1 day. In that world geography map pointing you have to cover it, and third and fourth day you have to do Indian geography properly with current affairs approach. Both economy and geography with current affairs approach. Then comes ancient India 1 day, medieval India 1 day, modern India and freedom movement 2 days. So in that way September 5th, September 6th, September 7th and 8th, you have to complete your history. Ancient and medieval India. In this only you have to do with your art and culture. 2 days. Why? Because the number of questions are more nowadays. Art and culture questions are more nowadays and 2 days. So whole together, I gave higher concentration on history. Why? Because 2020 prelims, the questions on history were been more. So ancient one, medieval one, modern India and freedom struggle 2 and art and culture 2, overall 6 days. You should be very confident. If you complete by September 10th means yes, mera ho gaya hai. And next, 4 days for Indian polity. Historical underpinnings, salient provisions of Indian constitution, fundamental rights, union and its territories, citizenship, DPSP, fundamental duties, parliament, executive, union executive, these all things you need to cover. So from Indian polity you have to do 4 days which is September 11, 12, 13 and 14. See my dear students, the most of the negative markings will be from Indian polity. Most of the negative marking, yes. Ask the aspirants who cleared the prelims. Ask your seniors, mentors, teachers or rankers. The negative marking will be from Indian polity. So you have to be very, very careful with Indian polity. Don't risk with Indian polity, I am telling you. Then science and technology 2 days. Easy. Because factual part will be more. The chance of getting right will be very high. Why? Because no analysis will be there. Everything will be factual questions. Science and technology will be 2 days. Then environment will be for 2 days. Environment and ecology. That is September 17th and 18th. Next will be the current affairs. The current affairs will be for 4 days. In this 4 days of current affairs, all the previous current affair months you have to do very quick revision, very quick revision. So what will happen, by the time of September 19, 20, 21, 22, you will be very, very confident that yes, mera revision hua hai. I completed my revision. I completed my revision. September 19, 20, 21 and 22. Current affairs need to be done. Then September 23 to October 5th, daily practice of 3 GS papers and CSAT paper. Daily 3 GS papers you have to do. 2 hours do the paper, 1 hour do the revision. Where you got the wrong, why it is correct, reverse engineering you have to do. So 3 into 3 papers, 9 hours, CSAT 1, 2 hours of exam you have to do, 1 you have to do reverse engineering. What is the key? You have to check the key. You have to read the solutions. So that means CSAT paper 3 hours. So 9 plus 3, 12 hours. In this way, from September 23rd to October 5th, maximum papers you have to do or maximum revision of already which you did. Yes. In this, you have to be very careful that previous year's question papers also you have to do. Please try to complete the previous year's questions. I hope that already one time the exam got postponed. This is the October 10th, you are in the extra time period, extended time period. I believe that the previous years already you did do revision of the previous year's questions also. So previous year's questions need to be done and 3 GS papers and 1 CSAT paper you have to do in this September 23rd to October 5th. So overall 13 days, 8 in the September month and 5 in the October month. 13 days you have to do this. 13 into 4 papers means 52 papers. 52 papers. See, then how many marks, how much confidence you will get when you are doing your previous paper. October 6th to October 9th, just revision of facts. Quick revision. And 9th afternoon you stop reading. Just sit idle. Just sit idle. That is from October 6th to October 9th. Revision of the facts. What all you read. What all you read. Revision of facts should be there. Yes. So this is a very good strategy. I believe that. If I prepare for this 45 days. If I prepare for this 45 days. I will do in this particular pattern only. I designed this. So that if you prepare, I believe that if you complete it up to now, if you do revision like this, compulsory some benefit or contribution will be there for your clearing prelims. This is my strategy for another 45 days. This is my strategy for another 45 days. October 10th, the day, the target. October 10th, the target day. First test in chasing your dreams. The first test in chasing your dream of becoming an IAS officer will start with this prelims examination. To get that gold medal in Olympics. For him, the getting gold medal is the highest achievement. For you, getting the rank, try for All India rank 1. So, this strategy will be helpful to you. Thank you and all the best. Read for 12 hours. God bless you.